little technique that I learned from Dan Henry. This is a guy who basically just came out of nowhere. He had launched his course in, I want to say 2016, August, and it was a 10K agency or something like that. And by December, he had hit 500K in sales. And then by January, he had hit 700, and he had hit 1 million in sales. And I was like, whoa, that's major. But I noticed one little thing that he did. He had a public Facebook group, and then he also had a private Facebook group. These are for the people who have paid for the course and they want to get like the knowledge. You never want to give out free knowledge that people have paid good money for. And so when it comes down to community building, and once you get past a certain threshold, I don't know, maybe 400 or 500 people, they really do start to create their own kind of community based around the things that you've already taught. And so what happened was this: I started logging on every day and looking into the group, and I'm noticing that they're networking with each other now. And I made a video and I was like, hey, you guys, I noticed that you're doing this right here, and this is not what I had originally envisioned and everything for the group, but I will allow it because it actually did help out. They were actually in different parts of the country, like, hey, who wants to do a joint venture? And there were several deals that came out of it. So I encouraged that. And so eventually I got to the point where I was like, okay, we're going to have certain days. I call it Mobile Home Mondays. You need to be posting pictures of stuff that you're actually looking at. You still want to nurture those relationships with people, and you have to kind of do it that way. Like, okay, keep something for them to be engaged. I don't care if it's a couple of days where you ask for some engagement from your group, post some pictures of something that you're doing, this, that, and the other. And that really does help out people a lot because they can get feedback from people who either have experience or don't. And there are people who are in there looking, and it really does help them. Even though you're probably the face of your brand, even though everything is going to be centralized around you, you don't want everything to rely solely on you. You do want your community to help each other out. And from there, information gets disseminated.